Retention is everything on your YouTube videos. If you don't have retention, then your video is not going to be shown to very many people. You're going to have low views. I found this out the hard way because since I do these live streams like this, my retention is low, but I didn't even know how to see my retention or if it was sucking or not. And so today I'm going to show you how to see your retention in YouTube. In order to do that, we'll go ahead and bring up my YouTube over here. And it's actually very simple. I just didn't know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you go into your YouTube studio. That's step one, right? Once we're in the YouTube video, what we want to do is to view one of the videos. So we'll come over here to content. And we need to find a video that's been up over 48 hours because they won't have retention unless it's been 48 hours. So I'm just going to find one here. This video here got quite a few views for my channel, for me. So it did pretty good. So now all we do, we click on the video and we come over here to analytics. Here's your video analytics. We're going to click engagement. Click the engagement, right? Now, you scroll down and you're going to see your audience retention graph here, right here somewhere. Okay, so here's our audience retention. Average view duration is this. Average percentage viewed is 17%. But we can see here 50% of viewers are still watching around the 30-second mark, which is typical. Learn more by comparing to other videos. All right, I don't see it comparing to other videos, but what I do know is this, that this is not really what you want to see because the retention starts here and after 30 seconds, it's already down by half. Now, I don't know retention statistics, but that sounds pretty bad to me. And then we go down in and it just keeps going down and down and down and down. This is not good. This is not what you want for your retention. For your retention, you want a line. Let me get back there. You want a line. I'll show you what a good retention looks like. A good retention be like it comes down a little bit and then it just goes straight across, right? They say a good retention is above 40%. So 40% or 50%. So in other words, I should have gone to about right here and gone straight across on my retention. Well, I didn't do that. And so this is huge because if you're not getting views for your YouTube videos and you look at your retention and retention is below 40 or 50%, you know what you got to fix. You got to fix your retention. How do you fix your retention? Well, number one thing I found out is that you can make shorter videos. So I'm going to be wrapping this one up here real quick. Number two is you can promise something if they stay on to the end, which I freaking forgot to do today. You got to promise them something if they stay on to the end, right? And then number three, they have a thing called retention editing. You can do it yourself or pay somebody else to do it. I do live streams, so I really can't do retention editing. But let's say I'm putting this on as a regular video. Then what you do is you do the jump cuts, you do some graphics, you do stuff to try to help retain the attention and viewership of the viewer. So my name is Marlon Centers. If you don't have my free report, how I sold 70,000 plus products online, you can go to marlonsnews.com/70K. I've been doing this full-time since 1997. I help other people who would like to quit their job and go full-time, or they're already part-time, but they would like to go full-time. And that's what I do. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to try to cut this shorter and see if it helps our retention. So the sum is pop into YouTube, look at your retention, and if it sucks, you got to figure out what to do to fix it. You all have a great day.